Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale data science with Oracle step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the data sources you want to integrate into Oracle. Ensure that your data is clean and well structured to maximize efficiency. Use Oracle Data Integrator to extract, transform, and load your data into the Oracle environment. Set up your Oracle database and create the necessary schemas to support your data science projects. Leverage Oracle machine learning to build and train your models directly in the database. Utilize the built-in algorithms to streamline your model development process. Monitor the performance of your models using Oracle's performance analytics tools. Once models are trained, deploy them using Oracle Analytics Cloud for real-time insights. Automate your data pipelines by scheduling regular updates using Oracle Dataflow. Implement version control for your models to ensure reproducibility and track changes. Consider using Oracle's AutoML features for quicker model training and optimization. Make use of Oracle's cloud capabilities for scalable storage and computing power. Collaborate with your team using Oracle's shared workspace features for seamless integration. Regularly review and update your models based on new data and changing business needs. Establish a feedback loop with end users to refine your model's performance. Document all processes and decisions for transparency and future reference. Finally, analyze the impact of your data science initiatives on business outcomes to measure success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.